big old burnout contest. Got the non-Dodge cars going all the way out. Going to smoke, take some pictures, folks. We're going to try to get a new set of tires. It's going to be about the only one that's in property doing it, but there you go, nice little smoky burnout. Hopefully we don't see none of those pop, but just getting it done. There you go. That's how you do big smoky burnout. Holding the car, got the fire on the back.
$9,900. Most people can trade and lower their payment. Let me double your tax refund up to $25. My goal this month is 100% credit approval.
Hey, over here, run! Over here, run!
There you go, a little bit of plastic burning up right there. He's good to go though. Give him applause, guys. Nice little run right there, a little smoky burnout. Got a little bit of a fire on the plastics underneath, and that's how you get it done.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. You cut throat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like a